Okay, so I made a mistake of not cutting this weed down before it bloomed, and not knowing that this was ragweed, and not knowing that these little creatures that are swarming all over it and eating it at the nectar off these beautiful yellow tiny star-like flowers are wasps. And there's some. Might have to cut this down later tonight. But on the other hand, they're not stinging me and they're preoccupied. And I've never seen this flower up close, only in the roadside ditches. But that's interesting. I've never seen a wasp that tiny.